Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new here and you like to learn about the medicinal uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica and in other parts of the world, then please consider subscribing and turning on your post notifications so you do not miss any of our uploads. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the nutritional value of cashew leaves, the benefits, some of the medicinal uses of the leaves and the tea, and sharing how to make cashew leaf tea. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Cashew leaves come from the cashew tree, which is this tree. Scientifically, it is known as Anacardium occidentale, and it can be found growing in Jamaica and in other tropical and subtropical parts of the world. Cashew trees produce fruits and seeds, which are both edible. This is the fruit, and this is the seed. The seeds are commonly referred to as cashew, quote-unquote, nuts, and are the most popular parts of the tree. They are eaten as a snack in many countries, and they are also prepared in various cuisines, or they are processed to make cashew butter or cheese, among other things. In some cultures, people use the leaves to make tea, which they use internally or externally. Cashew leaves are also eaten fresh or cooked in some cultures. However, they are said to be best eaten when they are young, and these are what the young leaves look like. They have a strong and sharp taste and are said to be beneficial to human health. They are also used medicinally in some cultures to treat a host of maladies. Cashew leaves contain significant amounts of vitamins A, B, and C, which are all important for maintaining good health. They also contain the minerals magnesium, iron, calcium, zinc, phosphorus, manganese, sodium, and potassium in appreciable quantities, which are also very important for maintaining good health. Cashew leaves are rich in antioxidants, which are important for strengthening the immune system. They are said to be very good for sickle cell patients and also for people who are suffering from anemia because they can promote the formation of red blood cells. They are said to have properties that can destroy fungi or inhibit their growth. Also anti-parasitic and antibacterial properties. Properties that can slow or inhibit the growth of infectious microorganisms. Anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, and anti-ulcerogenic properties, meaning that they have properties that can be used to protect against the formation of ulcers, or they can be used for the treatment of ulcers. Cashew leaves also have properties that can reduce fever. In some cultures, people chew on cashew leaves, and this is said to be useful for maintaining oral hygiene. People also make them into a pulp, which is used as a mouthwash and is said to be useful for treating toothaches and gum issues. Cashew leaves are said to be useful for treating malaria and venereal diseases, and the old leaves are said to be made into a paste, which is useful for treating burns and skin problems. Cashew leaf extract is said to be useful for reducing blood sugar levels and blood pressure, and the leaf extract is said to protect against viruses and is used to prepare herbal medicines for treating colds, bronchitis, and coughs. Cashew leaf tea is said to be useful for maladies such as diabetes, anemia, body aches and pain, diarrhea, dysentery, hemorrhoids, skin disorders, cuts, burns, allergies, kidney stones, gallstones, and heart diseases. And the leaf tea and the bark tea is said to be used as a douche for vaginal discharge. In some cultures, people use both the dried leaves or fresh leaves to make cashew leaf tea, and people make the tea in different ways. Some persons use about 5 cashew leaves to about 12 ounces of water, and this gives 1 serving. But first the leaves have to be washed properly. Then they are placed into a pot with water. Once the water starts to boil, the flame is turned down and it is allowed to simmer for a few minutes. Then the flame is turned off. The tea is then left to stand for a few minutes. Then it is strained. Once it cools down, it is then sweetened with honey and taken internally. Some people also have it without honey if they so desire. That's it for now, guys. For your own benefit and safety, please do your own research and see you in the next video.